Like tennis, food, travel? Well, I'm your guy. My name is Omar Miller. Join me as I explore the wonderful cities that host the Grand Slam tournaments, starting with Paris. Okay, last day in Paris. This city's been so good to me. Well, everything except for my waistline. I need to clean up my act, so I found a vegetarian restaurant for brunch.
Before I was in this business, I was journalist for and I opened a bar one day with my best friend. Maybe we are drunk, I don't know, but we said we should open a bar.
You got drunk and decided to open a bar. It's a great idea.
Yeah.
Now tell me this, what is the pop-up?
It's very new. We just opened two weeks ago. There is 70 places.
Oh, and, wow. So you got plenty of space there.
Yeah.
Huge courtyard. 70 people can show up and have brunch.
Exactly. Me and my partner, we have origin from Israel. For the shakshuka, for example, it's the recette of my grandmother, but we changed a little for
That's just because you couldn't figure out her recipe.
Yeah, exactly.
Tell me this, the name, Ima. What does Ima mean?
Ima, it means man in Israeli. We have a lot of girls because it's healthy place.
Yeah, and they all want to be skinny.
But she come with her boyfriend,
and they
of course,
need something to eat as well.
Yeah, and the boyfriend take every time the pancake and the girls too. So the pancake was very famous now.
I came here to lighten up and ended up eating decadent ricotta pancakes. Damn you, Paris.
I'm the captain now. And good one. We got. I got this champagne rosé. Everybody here helped me in some way or the other have a wonderful time in Paris. So, and I greatly appreciate it. This is my small token of a thank you because it's a tiny boat, but it's intimate and it's fun. And we're all together, and we will drink wine from an authentic Parisian winery, who also helped us have a great time in Paris. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's go. And they said, listen, hold on, together, you see.
What an adventure. I feel like I won the lotto of life. From chocolate mousse to graffiti, from bottling my own red blend to cruising the Seine with friends, I got out, got busy, and explored the new Paris. And in doing so, I realized there's more that connects us than separates us. This is living. This is Advantage Omar. A bientôt, mes amis.